Hello, guys, just if I could do a video on, at the minute, guys, on my computer, I have, some type of, let's move on to there. I have headphones plugged in on my computer, but they are wireless. I mean, they're not wireless, but they come with a black cable. They're black ones, they're soft ones. Then I do have other types of headphones too, but these ones, guys, these types of headphones, they're black and soft. And I did order like other light blue ones, like they're wireless blue ones, but I'm not using them, and I have a few others too, like. But this is one of them, and I have a red cable plugged in. I had to plug it in myself to the headphones to the pod. It's not just wireless, but
Yeah, you're watching is on during petkov. Well, just don't mind about it. It's supposed to be on cool games, but either way, it won't matter that.
guys, okay, this is just a sound test video. It looks like I just had my headphones plugged the whole time, but it did not seem to work.